Looking at wait time is pretty important for most Oracle DBAs. In particular, as I said, the ADDM gives us a lot of information regarding database time, and I'm going to show you some graphics from the Oracle Database 12c Performance Tuning Guide. I'm going to give you the link to that in the course notes. This picture shows a line of business applications overall user response time. And notice the shaded part is the DB time. And that's what we're focusing on. Obviously, you want to look at other things that can slow response time. The web browser used and how heavy that is, if there's a WAN connection involved, application server code, LAN issues. But we're concerned specifically with that window for DB time, where the database itself is aggregating CPU time and wait time for all active sessions, you see. In the second picture, I know that these graphics are kind of small. Make sure to look at the Oracle Performance Tuning Guide to see them at full resolution. Shows database time in a user transaction. So essentially, we're drilling into that DB time to see specifically what's going on in a sample case. For instance, in this example, Oracle gives us a user is making a transaction at an online bookseller. So they're querying for novels by a particular author, and that's going to involve some latency. Then they're going to see the query results and browse those. Now, some of the time is just on the user's side, right? But we're concerned with the shaded area, the actual time where the database is working. I mean, it might take the user 25 minutes to browse the query results and add an item to a cart before they check out. But as database administrators, as I said, we're concerned only with the DB time. We can actually get even closer, believe it or not, using active session history or ASH, where those thin lines you're seeing are snapshots that we can take a look at. We can capture that data and notice that some of them are periods of dead time, and because active session history takes an image every second, we can hit those periods of database time at each level of that connection, that user connection. And so we can drill in when the query for the novels by author is actually happening at 738, as you see. We can come in and see exactly what the Oracle database is doing as at that time. When the user does their checkout, 752, we can drill in and see exactly what the environment of the Oracle database is at that time. Very powerful, isn't it?